Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to generate sales reports from Excel or CSV data with ChatGPT using PDF.co and Make. We provide a link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample Excel dataset and utilize the provided Excel data to generate a PDF document. We will then apply the information from the PDF to create a comprehensive sales report. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Make account and click on the Create a New Scenario button. Next, locate and select the Google Drive app from the available options. You can also choose from different cloud storage services to access the Excel file. Then choose the Download a File option to retrieve the Excel file stored in your Google Drive. Let's begin configuring the Google Drive settings. First, establish the connection between your Google Drive account and Make by linking them. Next, choose the Select from the List option to view the available folders within your Google Drive. Then choose My Drive as the designated drive to be used. And specify the folder and file name where the Excel file is stored. After setting up the configuration, run the scenario to retrieve the file from your Google Drive. The scenario was executed successfully and retrieved the Excel file from Google Drive. Now let's proceed to the next step and convert the Excel file to PDF. For this step, we will incorporate the PDF.co app. And select the Convert into PDF option to generate a PDF from the Excel file. Let's proceed with setting up the PDF.co. First, establish the connection between your PDF.co account and Make by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Next, select the Upload a File option to automatically load the file from your Google Drive. Then choose the Spreadsheet to PDF option to convert the Excel spreadsheet into PDF format. Once the PDF.co configuration is set up, proceed to execute the scenario and convert the Excel file to PDF format. The scenario was executed successfully and generated a temporary URL. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the resulting output. Here is the PDF that has been generated from the Excel file. After reviewing the output file, copy the data from the PDF and proceed to add another module. For this step, we will integrate the OpenAI app. And select the Create a Completion option to generate a response using the OpenAI language model. Let's proceed with configuring the OpenAI settings. First, establish the connection between your OpenAI account and Make to enable access. Next, select the Create a Chat Completion method. Then choose the GPT 3.5 Turbo as the language model. In the Role field, select Assistant to facilitate a conversational experience and provide user assistance. For the Message Content field, input the command to generate a sales report along with the PDF data. Once the OpenAI configuration is set up, execute the scenario to generate a sales report using the PDF data. The OpenAI module has successfully generated the sales report from the PDF data. Now let's proceed to add another module that will insert the generated sales report into the converted PDF file from the Excel data. For this step, we will integrate the PDF.co app. And select the Add Text and Image to a PDF option. Let's proceed with configuring the PDF.co settings. First, select the Upload a File option to utilize the output file from the PDF.co Convert into PDF step. Under the Parameters field, for Item 1, input the X and Y coordinates where you want to insert the sales report. In the Text field, enter the content of the generated sales report. and specify the desired values for font size, font name, and font color. Then enter the width and height values for the sales report. Select the desired alignment for the placement of the sales report. For item 2, repeat the same process as item 1, if you wish to add additional text to the PDF document. This step is optional and depends on the text you want to include. Once the PDF.co configuration is set up, execute the scenario to insert the generated sales report into the PDF document. The scenario runs successfully and inserted the sales report into the PDF document. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here is the PDF document with the successfully added sales report generated from ChatGPT. Now let's proceed to add another module that will enable us to send this sales report as an attachment in an email. For this step, we will incorporate another module and select the Gmail app. And choose the Send an Email option to send the PDF sales report as an attachment. Let's proceed with configuring the Gmail settings. First, establish the connection between your Gmail account and Make to enable access. Next, click on the Advanced Settings and enter your email address in the From field. Then enter the recipient's email address in the To field. And specify the subject and content of your email. Finally, select the PDF.co Add text and images to a PDF module to automatically attach the output file. Once the Gmail configuration is set up, execute the scenario to send the PDF sales report as an attachment to the specified email address. We successfully sent the PDF sales report as an attachment to the specified email address. We have a lot of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.